Top 5 Best Vitamix Blenders in 2020. Number 5. Vitamix A2500 Blender. The last but definitely not least. The G-Series Vitamix blenders are professional-grade appliances we can actually afford. The Vitamix A2500 is one of the most powerful and quieter models on our list of best Vitamix blenders. Just like the rest of the G-Series blenders, this one comes with a 2.2 horsepower motor. Designed with peace in mind, the thick motor base helps mask the sound better than most blenders. 3-inch stainless steel blades cut through the toughest ingredients in a matter of seconds. This is great for large batch frozen desserts or grinding your favorite coffee at home. Functional design. This low-profile blender will also fit under most kitchen cabinets, measuring at 17.5 inches. The 64-ounce container is ideal for large and small batch blends. Made from BPA-free plastic, you can keep the bad stuff out while you put the good stuff in. More control where you want it. This easy-to-use blender also features a 10-variable speed control allowing you to manually achieve your desired texture. A pulse control switch and built-in cooling fan. This base won't overheat when you challenge it with dry ingredients. A rubber lid also prevents spillage during blending, just don't forget to put the lid on first. Available in black, red, or white, you can blend it in with the rest of your appliances. You just can't blend it into the dishwasher. Simply add a few drops of dish soap and warm water, set it on high, and watch it clean itself. Is it worth it? You may have to pay a bit more for the professional-grade models, but their performance makes your investment worth it. Large or small batches, this is an all-around powerful and durable blender that is easy to use and maintain. Pros. One of the quietest models. Easy to use. Easy to clean. Good for large and small batches. Multiple color choices. Fits under most kitchen cabinets. Cons. Pricier model. Tamper sold separately. No modern controls like a touchscreen or a built-in timer. Coming in number 4. Vitamix A2300. Do you love to be in control? The next best Vitamix Ascent series blender on our list is the A2300. The more stylish series from Vitamix, the A2300 also comes in 4 color choices: red, white, black, and slate. With the power of the professional series, the Ascent series takes you into the digital age with Bluetooth connectivity. Manual control. The least expensive of the Ascent series, the 2300 has no automatic settings. What it does feature is the ability to pair with the Vitamix Perfect Blend app. Here you can use 17 different programs and try out over 500 recipes. With the sleek low-profile design, it fits under most kitchen cabinets. A digital timer takes the guesswork out of blending times. A 64-ounce container for large family needs. You can set the timer and tend to the kids while Vitamix does the rest. All Vitamix blenders feature stainless steel laser-cut blades, giving you a range from chunky to smooth. The Ascent series works with Smart Detect jars which come in a variety of sizes sold separately. You can blend up a small batch of baby food, or a whole meal with one machine. Easy to clean. You can manually clean the A2300 with some dish soap and warm water or pop any of the containers in the dishwasher. The Ascent series also comes with clear locking lids, streamlining cleanup from the get-go. Some consumers prefer the rubber lids, for more tamper control. The Ascent A2300 is a quieter model, but you also need to consider the higher price tag. But if you don't want to disturb sleeping pets or children while pulverizing tough ingredients, this powerful model will do the trick. Pros. Available in a variety of colors. Easy to clean. Smart technology and Bluetooth connectivity. One of the quieter models. Speed controls and pulse switch. You can make more than just smoothies. Cons. Different sized containers sold separately. Exclusively works with Smart Detect jars, not interchangeable. Coming in number 3. Vitamix A2500. Let's take a look at the first best Vitamix Ascent blender series on our list. The A2500 is a step above the manual use blenders with 3 pre-programmed settings. The A2500 stands out from the crowd in a red finish, and is also available in white, black, and slate. The latest and greatest features. The Vitamix A2500 comes with a digital timer giving you perfect results every time. You can purchase a variety of container sizes separately. Bluetooth connectivity reads the container size and automatically adjusts blending time and program settings. The 2.2 horsepower motor can handle an array of ingredients. So throw your nuts in and make some homemade butter. Grab the ice and fruit and whip up a batch of fresh smoothies every morning. If you run out of ideas, this blender comes with a recipe book for endless inspiration. A high-quality BPA-free container and clear lid allow you to see your ingredients beginning to end. The plug on the lid can also be used as a measuring cup for when you want to be in control. Stainless steel 4-inch blades are sure to get even the smallest of chunks to a smooth consistency. A 10-variable speed knob and pulse button let you manually control the speed. This model is designed with the tightest kitchen space in mind. It fits well under most low-hanging kitchen cabinets. Not only easy to clean by hand, but you can also throw this best kitchen blender in the dishwasher. Pre-programmed settings and dishwasher safe, this model requires minimal efforts on all fronts. Pros. 10-year warranty included. Includes a tamper and recipe book. Smart technology, Bluetooth connectivity and digital timer. 3 pre-programmed settings and 10-speed manual control. Sleek design. Fits under cabinets better than other models. Quieter model. Cons. If you want a size other than 64 ounces you have to buy the containers separately. A more expensive model, coming in number 2. Vitamix 5300. Next in line. Next up on Best Vitamix Blenders list, is the C-Series 5300. Vitamix is known for its powerful motors, and this model lives up to the reputation. Stronger than its predecessor, the 5300 comes with a 2.2 horsepower motor. Although the stronger motor causes a louder sound, that sound doesn't mean overheating. This model also has a built-in cooling fan, doing what it does best. Made with stainless steel blades that measure at 4 inches, this model is sure to crush the competition. Throw in some ice, nuts even, just not stones, we don't eat those. Although, you can control texture and consistency with a 10-variable speed control knob. Coming with the standard pulse control, you can make salsas and chunky soups with the tip of your finger. This model features a 64-ounce container great for large batch portions, but also suitable for smaller servings. So go ahead and whip up a batch of margaritas, the 5300 has your back. Simple operation and maintenance. Just drop in some dish soap and warm water and let it go for a minute or so. The 5300 Vitamix blender is a low-profile and low-maintenance machine sure to meet your needs. Pros. Powerful and efficient. Easy to use and easy to clean. Versatile and low-profile, fits into any kitchen. Budget-friendly. Multi-function use. Standard 7-year warranty. Cons. Louder motor, but more power than the 5200, coming in number 1. Vitamix 5200. Beginner-friendly. First up on our list is the Vitamix 5200 blender. This legendary Vitamix model is great for those with limited budgets. For a basic blender with a simple design, the 5200 model is still powerful enough to take on the toughest challengers. Equipped with a 2.0 horsepower motor and cooling fan, this best kitchen blender can take the heat. Wet or dry, hot or cold. This blender can blend hot soups, and crush ice cubes with its stainless steel laser cut blades. This model comes with 2 separate containers, a 64-ounce container, suitable for dry ingredients, and a 32-ounce container, better for wet. This also gives you the option to make single-serve or large batch portions. Control the consistency and texture of your ingredients with a 10-variable speed control knob. A spill-proof lid lets you turn up the speed while minimizing the mess, and making cleanup a breeze. Tough construction. Vitamix uses BPA-free materials that give you peace of mind. So you know there aren't toxic chemicals leaching into your famous pumpkin soup. This model stands strong and tall at 20.5 inches, so keep this in mind when you consider countertop placement. The 5200 model does have fixed blades, which means you can't take them out for a deep cleaning. You can just add a few drops of dish soap and hot water and let it run for a minute. Doing this regularly after use will keep this blender in working order for longer. The Vitamix 5200 is sure to give you a run for your money and a great first blender experience. Pros: self-cleaning, multifunctional and easy to use, tough as well as inexpensive, will not overheat, large or small batch use, includes a tamper that aids in blending, comes with a 7-year warranty. Cons: users have complained that it is loud, stands tall, not suitable for low-hanging cabinets. Fixed blades make deep cleaning difficult,